This is Magestic.
America, land of the free and home of Barrett firearms. If you're a gun lover, the only thing more American than football and apple pie is the AR-15 rifle. Lots of great American companies make great AR-15 rifles, but what makes Barrett stand out in the crowd is the attention to the details and doing everything possible to enhance the reliability. That's why it has been given the name Reliability Enhanced Carbine, or REC7. Barrett Firearms took the AR-15 platform and addressed every issue that can potentially come up from hard use or misuse, making available a very low maintenance, high reliability carbine in the very familiar AR package. The first thing that amazed me about this gun is the weight. The Gen2 REC-7 is extremely light for a piston-driven AR, coming in at almost 3 pounds lighter than my HK MR556. Most gas impingement ARs are considered light at 6 pounds. Barrett has simply defied physics by making their REC-7 piston-driven AR tip the scales at just 6 pounds. Simply amazing. The new rail on the REC-7 Gen 2 is made in-house by Barrett. It's slim, light, sexy, and has key mod attachment points. Pretty much everything you need out of a rail. It also features a somewhat unique one-piece piston and operating rod, making the piston reliability available with fewer parts.
This is Magestic.
There's also a neat feature in the gas block. It's held on by a nut with threads on the barrel. What this does for us real gun nerds out there is lets the gas block be easily serviced. While this isn't something that needs to be serviced often, it can be somewhat difficult on other rifles, and Barrett has made it very easy on the REC-7. This also lets you inspect the gas port on the barrel, a very innovative feature. Quality just drips off this thing. The bolt has a nickel Teflon coating to make it slick all the time. It's anti-tilt to ensure smooth operation, proofed so it's strong in all the right places, and every bolt is magnetic particle inspected. I have no idea what magnetic particle inspection means, but damn, it sure sounds impressive. Needless to say, I think the bolt will be problem-free. You'll also get a cold hammer forged chrome line barrel. For those keeping score, the MR556 doesn't have chrome lining. Speaking of that, I probably need to go oil mine. Won't be having that problem on the Barrett. You'll also get a sweet Geisley trigger, some very nice PRI sights, BCM gunfighter charging handle, and it comes with Magpul furniture.
This is Magestic.
That's the only thing that I changed. I'm running a Magpul K2 grip, which I like because in essence it shortens the length of pull of the rifle a little bit. Also switched out to a Mission First Tactical Minimalist stock. The stock is nice, light, and locks up tight. Barrett also gets the award for the nicest soft case I'd actually take to the range. A very nice touch comes with the new REC7. In case you haven't noticed, gray guns have become the new rage, and I've fallen for it. I've bought several gray models as of late.
This is Magestic.
However, Barrett uses tungsten gray Cerakote, and at least in my opinion, this is my favorite shade of gray that I've seen on a factory gun. It really gives the gun a unique and beautiful finish. So what's it like shooting this piece of functional art from the good people in Tennessee? It is everything you hope it would be. Smooth shooting, light recoil, superb accuracy, great trigger, and of course, reliability was never an issue.
This is Magestic.
We ran a little more than 1,000 rounds through the Barrett REC-7 without cleaning, and this thing never flinched. I really think it would go a couple thousand more with rock solid reliability. The REC-7 is truly AR-15 Nirvana. I really don't know how any AR-15 could be any better than this one. I have several top shelf AR-15s, and this one has moved up to my new go-to AR. One of the things I love so much about Barrett firearms is the perfect depiction of the American dream. Ronnie Barrett, with no real background in engineering, had an idea to come up with a semi-automatic shoulder-fired rifle chambered in the Mammoth 50 BMG cartridge.
This is Magestic.
With true determination, and after everyone telling him it couldn't be done and would never work, he overcame. Creating the Barrett M82A1, now being used by over 40 militaries worldwide and being one of only 7 men who have invented a firearm being used by the American military in the last 100 years. It just goes to show you that if you have a great idea, the determination to pursue it, and the will and drive to put in the work, the American dream is still alive and well. America.
This is Magestic.